Hi, I'm here with the amazing Paul Garrett, and congratulations, what an award.
Oh, thank you very much. It certainly is an honour.
And what does this award mean, not only for you, Paul, but also for Marinova itself?
Oh, look, this really is a team effort. And look, we have a very diverse workforce. It's a close-knit team. We only have 20 staff, but they have very diverse backgrounds. We have experts in the fields of chemistry, right through to pharmaceutical science, right through to international marketing and manufacturing. So it's really testament to them that we can win an award like this.
Congratulations once again. And in terms of then, what would be the biggest obstacle that you've overcome, and what would be the one learning that came out of that?
Look, biotechnology companies invariably have challenges around funding, about retaining IP throughout their life cycle. Marinova's been in a very unique and fortunate situation that we've been able to commercialise products early on. That's provided us with the cash flow to reinvest back in R&D. But to answer your question, it's the sustained investment in R&D that's really given us the success and positioned us to where we are now.
Wow, absolutely fabulous. And we talk about metrics all the time. You can't measure it, you don't measure it. So what would be the metrics that you're actually working to then go, we're actually moving the needle here?
Yeah, look, it's really interesting because, sorry, we might do that again.
Perfect.
One of the key metrics is actually very difficult to measure, and that's actually the benefit that we're having on human health. So Marinova specialises in extracting a very unique compound out of seaweed that finds itself into nutritional and pharmaceutical products around the world. We're in the business-to-business space. We supply some of the leading healthcare brands around the world. So in terms of the metrics, it's actually very difficult to measure the benefit we're having, although because through our extensive clinical trials program, we do know that our products work.
Absolutely fantastic. And it's so rare to hear, right? We don't often hear about seaweed going into, pharmaceutical products. For most cases, we may know if we're in the industry, but outside of the industry, we probably have no idea. So thank you so much for sharing. And in terms of then, what would be the one piece of advice that you'd want to leave the audience with in terms of, what's that one thing for you anyone coming through into this space? What would be the one thing to go, this is something that you need to be mindful of, or something that we've learned from?
Look, perseverance is everything. I mean, all small businesses, and I'm actually a chartered accountant by background, so I find myself, after being a partner in a chartered accounting firm, actually putting the theory into practice, if you like, with my own business. But perseverance is everything.
Thank you. And definitely perseverance from everything that you've shared with me and everything that I heard on the stage today. And just one final question I have is, what's next?
Oh, look, we've got some very exciting clinical trial work that's underway. At any point in time, we have between 15 and 20 clinical trials and other research projects underway. They have long lead times. It could be 5 to 8 years before we actually get clinical results, publication and commercialisation of products, but watch this space.
Fantastic. Well, thank you so much for your time. Congratulations, Paul, once again for winning the award. Celebrate, have a beautiful evening,
Thank you.
Drink lots of wine or beer, and enjoy the rest of the evening.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thanks, Paul.